Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to work with Salesforce. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, to work with Salesforce, you need to first have an organization or an account. So just go to their website, create an account, and basically you will be able to start running your Salesforce organization. And basically, Salesforce provides a simple layout or a simple UI or interface that you can work with. So basically here we will find the home, the leads, where you can start creating new leads or you can import from another set of leads by importing them. And basically, as you can see, there is a friendly view or a friendly user interface, and you can find all these informations or all these menu. And basically, from here, where you can access to all the elements of your Salesforce account. And another page or another menu that is too important for your Salesforce is the setup menu. So from here, where you can set up your organization or your environment, you can add, for example, custom templates. You can create more sales setup. You can have many other things to do. So for example, here you can have your Sales Cloud where you can install many items and have more uh, setup and configuration to go with your Salesforce so you can enhance your experience. Also, you can start searching for here in the app launcher and go to the visit app exchange where you can find all the Salesforce related applications that you can add as integrations to your Salesforce and add them and you can start work with them in your Salesforce. So basically, those are the main features of Salesforce. Thank you for watching and see you next time.